Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can actually make money with Beehiiv. So please listen carefully with each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So this will help you monetize your newsletters and start earning income. So first, what you will have to do is of course sign into your Beehiiv account, and once you're here, you have to choose your plan, and of course, you have to make sure that you already have your plan before proceeding to the next steps. So once you've logged in, you will see the settings here. And then after you go to settings, then you will click monetization. Then once you click monetization, you will have to enable the paid newsletter and you will set a subscription price. Then you will add payment methods such as Stripe or PayPal so that you will be able to receive funds. Then you will promote your newsletters to so that you will be able to grow subscribers. Then you will also share your link on social media and your website. And then you will check your earnings regularly under the dashboard and then revenue. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.